Compared to the original version of Inkwise on Inkwise.ai, Inkwise 2.0 on CPAAutomation.ai can handle more references, more citation styles, and more file types like images, videos, and audio. Today we are going to demonstrate how Inkwise can search for relevant evidence from a large reference library. We will create an academic article using 72 references, totaling more than 10,000 pages. I have laid out the outline of the article within Inkwise. Now let us start. I will use the inline prompter to populate each section of the article in accordance with the outline. For my intro section, I will use the first 5 references. Notice how Inkwise AI is using the relevant content of the references I selected to write the paragraphs in accordance with the requirements included in the selected outline. Let me continue populating the rest of the intro section. At the end of the intro section, I want to stop using the references and have AI write based only on the selected outline requirements. After we finish Part 1, let us continue with Part 2. I will select different references for Part 2. For Part 3, I need a different set of references. Notice that when I populate the article based on the outline, I do it section by section. This ensures that AI generates concrete and highly relevant content for each section. Throughout the process, I always delete and edit the content that I feel is not useful for my article. This is made possible because Inkwise AI itself is a document editor. Let us continue populating the rest of Part 3. Section by section, we are generating AI content based on the reference materials we selected. This is the best way to eliminate the risk of AI hallucination. If you feel the AI-generated content is not as accurate as you expected it to be, you can always adjust your prompt or your selected text at any time for a better result. Let us continue with Part 4. Part 4 uses many references. Rest assured, Inkwise is able to match the most relevant content within the references with the prompt and the selected text to keep the AI writing relevant to your requirements. Now we are quickly at the last section of the article. By now, we have populated more than 10,000 words in accordance with the outline. Notice that I keep adjusting the outline so that once I select it and pass it to AI, the AI-generated content will be more relevant. I am going to deselect the references I do not need and select the last set of references for this section. Notice that the speed of AI generation varies for each prompt and section. This is because Inkwise AI is trying to find the most relevant information from the reference materials first, and then write out the content coherently based on your prompt and requirements. Basically, it is a 2-step process. It first searches, and then it writes. Now we are ready for the conclusion. The conclusion section does not need any references, so let us deselect all of them. Because it is the conclusion, I will select all the content within the article we have generated so far and let Inkwise conclude based on the entire selected content. After it generates the conclusion, I can also manually select and copy the text it generated and paste the content where I would like it to be. Now we have used AI to populate the content of the entire article. It is finally our turn, as humans, to edit and rewrite the article. I have shown you how to use Inkwise to write a robust academic article using many references. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.